Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel CAD NEST. Myself Allauddin here. I'm a CAD engineer in a CAD NEST. So let us discuss in a Revit topic, that is windows. So what is this windows means? Here we can see one option called switch window. Switch windows is nothing but whatever the view we have taken, whatever the view we are going to create, it shows in our switch windows. Now you can see here one project use created floor plan level 1. Now I'm presently in level 1, that's why it's showing level 1. Switch windows view. People go to level 2. Okay, now I'll take this one as a north elevation, some south elevation, or I'll just go back to some 3D views also. See, whatever the views I have taken, all the views will appear in the switch windows. So now I have elevation I have taken, one north south elevation I have taken, one 3D view, and with that it will show in a switch window. Close window is nothing but like if you want to close all the window and accept only which view you are taken presently. Now that if you want to keep, you can close all the window. If I close all the window, now you can't find any window regarding except this only that view here. So I'll just go to ceiling level 2 and south elevation, some 3D views. Again I'll go back to some 3D views also. Now I'll take in here, that is replicate window. Replicate window is nothing but it will create one more replicate for that. Replicate is nothing but duplicate. So for level 1, if you want to replicate, you can click. Now see, if I click on switch windows, now you can see this one, floor plan level 1, floor plan level 1, 2. It's showing this is a duplicate of that view. So next it is a cascade window. Cascade window is nothing but will appear in this all this which are the views we have taken. You can select a particular view and you can maximize and you can use the view for that. So next it is here tile window. Tile window is like a beacon. So whatever the windows we have opened here, so at a time the views you can show in one screen. So that's called as a tile window. Okay. So like that you can use it. If you want to take back to normal again, I'll take this one beacon particular and you can maximum like this. Fine. Thank you so much for watching. Like our video, subscribe our channel. Thank you so much.